This is how you make Filipino-style spiced vinegar. Okay, we're going to start with our red onions that we are going to cut with the grain. Now I have some serrano peppers. I couldn't find green Thai chili peppers, that's why I'm using this. Then I'm just going to peel a bunch of garlic. Give it a little light tap, just to make the extraction of flavor easier. 2 cups of vinegar right here. 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay, for the container, preferably use a glass bottle. Place your garlic, our red onions, our serrano pepper, and some red Thai chili peppers. Totally up to you how spicy you want it. Some whole peppercorns, then the vinegar. Now this pairs perfectly with lumpia, fried fish, fried pork, fried beef, fried chicken, fried tofu, anything fried really. You can use this immediately, but obviously it gets better over time. You don't have to refrigerate this and it lasts forever. Now with our Filipino style spiced vinegar.